Hi guys, welcome back to yet another video. In this one I'm going to be showing you how to change the rear drop links on the mk3 Mondeo. If you like the videos, as always, hit that subscribe button down here and give us a thumbs up. Now let's crack on with this one, shall we? So this one's a fairly simple and straightforward job to do on the car, and as you can see, I'm sweltering. I've been out here doing other jobs and projects on the car and I'm absolutely sweating, and I thought, well, these have turned up, it's time to get them on the car. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you how to do them. Okay, so we're going to start with the bottom 15mm bolt, and then we're going to move up to the top one here, which is also a 15mm bolt. I'm going to start undoing the bottom one first, and then once it starts to break off, I'm going to undo the top one. So let's start with the bottom one, and I'm going to use my 1/2 inch breaker bar, small one. So that's cracked loose. Then we're going to come up to the top one. That one didn't take a lot of persuading because it's been out already recently. Get my Allen key on the top one. Oops. Can't believe how hot it is out here today. It's just over 40 Celsius. I'll show you on the camera. Okay, so now we're going to head down to the bottom one. Same technique as before. Well, I can get the Allen key in. Looks like it's a smaller one, I don't understand. Let's see if I can crack. So, sorry about the camera cutting out, guys. The phone overheated and stopped recording. I had to let it cool down. So I went indoors and actually give it a full charge as well. Come back out today, finish this job off. But it's not without supplies this time because it's still hot. So I've got plenty of water. I've got myself my light. This actually broke yesterday, so I fixed that, and I'm going to crack on with this now. So I'm going to flip the camera back round and continue from where the camera cut out. Okay, so this is where I was at yesterday before the camera overheated and stopped. So I'm going to put my Allen key in here. Now I'm going to support it as best as I can, because I want to capture everything. Let's see if I can move the camera to make it any easier, and hold it and just what I'm going to do. Do that. So with the nuts removed, top and bottom, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to jack up the actual hub here, lift it up so it takes some of the strain off of the bolts here, and you can just push it out. So I'm now going to lift this up with the trolley jack. If you see that, but that's how it come out quite easily. So with that one out, you're going to get your new one. I've removed the bolts already. Starting with the top one, straight in, put a new bolt on, and then jack it up. So when you jack it up, it'll lift everything up. Whoa. So as you jack it up, it will lift up the lower one to go in quite easily. Then you get your new bolt and put that on. And then you nip these up. I believe these new ones are 17s. Yep. There we go. I'll check the torques on these in a second. But there it is. That's one done. The other side is absolutely identical. Same procedure. And that's it. So there you have it, guys. That's how you replace the rear drop links on your Mark III Mondeo. It's a nice, fairly simple procedure to do. Don't take too long to do it. And so despite the problems I had with my phone yesterday cutting off because of the heat, I've come back out today. It's cooled down. It's nowhere near as warm yesterday, and I've got the job done. So if you like the videos, consider hitting that subscribe button. I think it's down here somewhere. I don't know, maybe about here. And consider hitting the like button as well. If not, just a dislike, up to you. I don't care. So yeah, that's another video done. Hope you liked it. Hope it helps you guys out. And until the next one, thanks for watching, and see you soon.